Hi, this is Becca, and thanks for joining me in my Wellness Workshop series. Today we are talking about DiGize. DiGize Essential Oil from your Premium Starter Kit. Now, DiGize kind of does what it sounds. It's designed to support your digestive system. And it has tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli oils in it. Now, if you're familiar with essential oils, then some of those flavors, this is vitality oil, flavors, might be a little bit of a turnoff to you. Fennel is one that is sort of loved or hated. Patchouli is one that is sort of loved or hated. So there's some strong oils in this, and not everybody loves the taste of DiGize Vitality. I'm going to be honest with you. I am one of those people that does not love the taste of DiGize Vitality, but it does such great things for my body. I really love the way that it works that I still want to use it, probably more often than I should. I need to be a little careful about what I eat on a regular basis. So my favorite way to use DiGize essential oil is in a capsule. This makes my life very easy. I don't have to taste it. I don't have to smell it. I don't have to deal with the scent or the flavor. Like I said, this is vitality oil, which means that it is a dietary supplement. So taking it internally is fine. It's the recommended way to use this oil. Now, one thing I do to help prevent kind of the flavor burps from coming back on me is I pair it with a little boost of peppermint. Peppermint Vitality is also excellent for the digestive system. It's already in DiGize. So I give it a little boost from the peppermint. That way if I do have a burp later, I get the peppermint and not the DiGize. So I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to make a little capsule. I get this open. I've learned this secret. You got to get everything open before you try to make a capsule. Because let me tell you how hard it is to open something trying to hold a capsule upright like this that already has some oil in it. Now my other trick for making capsules is this. This is a dropper bottle, and I keep carrier oil in my dropper bottle. I personally prefer, for my skin, I like grapeseed and avocado combined, so that's just what I keep in here. This just makes it easy. If I'm doing topical application, if I needed to use it on my face, you know, if I'm putting peppermint on my temples or something, then I can have an oil that's good for my skin too. So, got my capsule. Got my DiGize. Here we go. I'm gonna do just about 3 drops. That's pretty normal of what I do. I like to use this if I ate too much and I'm uncomfortably full, or any sort of digestion, kind of what ails you in the digestive arena. Just a couple drops of peppermint to pull that peppermint up and out of there. And then I'm just kind of filling it up with my carrier oil. Now you could make several of these in advance and pop them in your freezer. They will not freeze and the cold will not hurt your essential oil. But when you do put the cap on, make sure, I'm going to put this close so I hope you can hear it. There's a little click. There's like a little notch built in there. Make sure that it clicks or it will leak on you. And or it will leak on your, whatever you're storing it in. It will leak in your containers, and then you'll have a mess and you won't have all your capsules. You'll just have a mess. So there's my capsule. I thought I had a glass. Oh, I do. I thought I had a glass of water here. So I can just take it and you'll know that it's fine and it's safe and I trust it. So there it goes down the hatch. You can get a bag of those capsules. They're really inexpensive to get a whole bunch. They come in a bag of like 300 or something like that. You can get a jar of them from Young Living. Vegetarian capsules, so friendly for everybody and a good way to use your oils, your vitality oils. Maybe you don't like the taste of, or maybe you need a higher dose than what would be reasonable in a glass of water or something. So I hope you find that helpful, and I hope you'll tune in for my other videos in my Wellness Workshop series.